ability to do something successfully or efficiently. That is competence. When you read the synonyms, it talks about capability, ability, capacity, proficiency. That is competence. You know, Professor Jampo is trying to say Africa hano here to a bar. Instead of saying vote for competence, we would rather vote for popularity. Okay. He is political science lecturer, and that is where I'm taking my argument from. As a professor, as a political science lecturer, we expect that you educate us. See, I said we educate you. So, enyama way na say oh to aba mo bi a enyama ABC do na say wo hwe. Enyama ABC do na say wo hu. Say na be ya. So obi wa ben mu a wo demand ebe won so no, it has to be limited because asemesi a oye sa ade we na ade we no ye. Okay. Enti ne Professor Jampo, na nka me NKG na me expecting say nka over my education. As in say, if somebody is voted to power, say anybody a member of parliament, MP the human is saying, okay, what does an MP do? In parliament, MPs spend their time fighting for the interests of their constituents, attending debates, scrutinizing and voting on legislation, and attending meetings. They consider and vote on legislation and use their position to ask government ministers questions about current issues. So MP be a obeko parliament bia ne dwuma ne se okoye mmara MP obi ko parliament ne dwuma ne se me kwa akɔhye mmara ama me nkrɔfo no attending debate, scrutinizing and voting on legislation mmara omoto abama mmara so mmara wo ye de nsesi so obi ye MP a ne dwuma no ɔkɔ parliament ɔkɔhye mmara obi ye MP a ne dwuma no. Professor Jampo, I was expecting say government education way one year. Now say obi ye MC functions. The functions of MCE, I'm expecting that Professor Jampo Mama Misa education. The 1992 Constitution of the Republic of Ghana, in Article 204, tasked them that the local government authorities, metropolitan, municipal, and district assemblies, MMDAs, to plan, initiate, coordinate, manage, and execute policies in respect of all matters affecting the people within their areas. To do what? Initiate, coordinate, manage, and execute policies. So, as an MCE, as a DCE, your duty is to execute policy. This is a binary policy where you say you make sure you do it at the local government. That is the reason why MCE want MCE for no say developmental problem issues. Developmental programs na MCE for any DCE no. Omo di mpuntuo eba omo constituency baby o wona oye MCE no ne district ne municipal no wono. MCE adwuma ne say obe make sure say obeye adwuma e wo ho MCE adwuma. Now let's come to the duties of an assemblyman. Assemblyman, state representatives introduce and vote on bills that the interest of their constituents, people who live in their voting district. They create new laws, modify or update old laws, and serve as research committees within the legislative branch. So a job of an assemblyman is similar like an MP. It's similar like an MP. The assemblyman it is the duty of the MC to make sure say local government no about empower them financially. Na employ amount for no more idea titi got MC no. In the assemblyman we titi got no. We vote based on popularity, not competence. For example, I think education we are. In Kaman for them okay. This is me to abamo be as an MP and yet developing the me to abama no more wako yembra. It is a one narrowing it down to entertainers. Hello, we have doctors and lawyers who have been in Parliament House. If you didn't give me this education, a duty of an MP, a duty of an assemblyman, a duty of an MC, one for education we now mommy, then you are coming to tell us that entertainers or icons, we vote for them because they are popular, and that some of them don't have the competence. We don't vote for them because they have the Professor Jampo. Once I'm not trying, your duty as a political science lecturer is to educate me, for me to know, say you are appointing entertainer as an MC. Expect this from him. Say entertainer no or MP. Expect this from him. Say entertainer no or your assemblyman, expect this from him. Send a amount for na do na send you to me and post to me kenkano. What to me, I my education into say entertainer and then say openate kum or your MC ya. Nay so MC na you want A B C D. Into say I didn't want to say expect fee MC you. Say nay John Dumelo your MP. Oh, okay. As an MP, no you say na expect say oh MP no you A B C D. Into say entertainer be MP. Me go jana to say oh mama sika. Me go jana to say on ha me be mama because MP ye na juma no. And then ya to abama obi to say ma okreku mante so or your MP. Now it is believed to say okay, sisi now or by entertainer now or your entertainer or your showbiz person. I talk about man or MP. So we assume say oko parliament house no. And so ko be ma industry no. Say yami na do na ye de neto parliamentary committee so he falls under tourism, culture and creative art. That's where he can help. But yam for now to sa committee ni so obisi de aboa. And as I say yami na do na oye MP, na obeye deputy minister or a minister of creative art, culture and tourism. Then we expect much from that person. But for example, what man say education way na how do you then say we vote on popularity, not competence, and that entertainers? You know, and I mean, really that we vote for, and the entertainers and the icon. You vote. Let me tell you, George Aponwia, he's the president of Liberia. He's an icon. Do you know what he was doing for his people before he voted into power? He built hospitals. Time no with hospitals a man go from that. So they were pushing say president man because himself nekakra na put an with me hospital among the obey president with my more. If some entertainers have climbed the MPship, have climbed the ministerial position and have failed, it doesn't mean all entertainers are fools. It doesn't mean all entertainers don't have the sense. It doesn't mean all entertainers are dumb, that they can't work. Arnold Schwarzenegger was voted into power in California 2003 to 2011. Do you know the kind of job the guy did for them? Go, in fact, Professor Jambo, a little research will help you. You are a political science lecturer. A little research will help you. Ana sisi ano ase mu yesuro say entertainers na very soon they will take over the political arena. And you know you guys are looking for a way to now, you know, say certain things to tarnish their image. We will take over. Me pacho Ben hwehwe nyu we mame. Burning Spear. You me. E fe no. You that is stupid. You that is stupid. A reggae song, Burning Spear. They think we are stupid. Entertainers are not stupid. Look, between a political science student and School of Performing Arts student, I would choose the School of Performing Arts student. You know why? Listen, it is not easy for somebody to create out of the mind. If you read history, you'll be actually read the Bible. But for somebody to create, it's easy. I'm telling you. Openiye Kumawo Legon. Professor, you are the Dean of School of Performing Arts, University of Ghana, Legon. Unimnyansa pa, na yaminshira. Sa department now, yankopon adopodano, a difficult department now because it is difficult to deal with creative people because they are doing a yet faster. They are always thinking about something new. So you can't compare a political science lecturer to a creative art person. You lie bad. A creative art person, you can't compare yourself to that person. And you're not Burning Spear. They think we are stupid. The entertainers will take over the political arena very soon. So Professor Jampo want to be smart. Nombeka and say influential entertainers. Sana baya and the who say entertainer John Dumelo ye MP. Oh, we there. Or Baby movie. On Baby or a concert no Baby. No, on wedding cake we move feeder and say about Moboa. I know some entertainers that are now they are reading law. God bless Ghana. This is the Highway Lens. My name is NK Jenenoko Amijan. Bless.